Whenever you are in a business, maybe it can be for 1 year, it can be for 5 years, it can be for a decade long. In my case, I have been into business for almost 11 years. Although I was into business for 11 years, still after 11 years my business went under losses, and I had people who did not pay me the amount which they have to pay. Even till date they haven't paid me. Okay, but that doesn't stops you, right? Because either you have only two choices: either to whine and grin about it and to be sad and keep on doing things and just keep on waiting for things to change, or you start something new with whatever you have as in your limitations and start again. So in those two choices which we have, so you have to be wise enough and sensible enough and take a decision. This can be even in your life right now. You might have a business which is not performing, you might be in a job which you don't like, there would be so many other things, because everybody have a different cycle of life and everybody have a different way how it goes, right? But we always have two choices: either live with it or go ahead, take a decision and change it. So if you change it, it's going to be worth it. Not necessarily all the decisions what you take it's going to be worth it, but as long as you don't give up, you will succeed. And this is just not my lesson now in this online industry, and this has been a lesson from the time I started my business back in 2010. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is, like, when I started online, I did not tell my family members that I'm going to start online or I'm going to go into digital marketing or anything, because all I was hearing, belonging to an Asian community, is like everything is a scam, cheating, same stuff. So I just took a leap of faith and I went ahead and I started online. It wasn't an easy decision, but I took it. I invested in myself because I was looking for free stuff and I was not getting anywhere at all. It was really not my worth of my time, energy and efforts, which were literally getting wasted. So when I started investing and I started learning things in a right way, so I could see the results, I implemented it. See, what happens is, many people, they learn a lot but they never implement. If you don't implement, you're not going to get the results. One, you need to be patient. Second, you need to be consistent. Third, you should have this attitude of never giving up. That's where you will succeed. Over a period of time, I got my first sale or my first earning online within like about 3 weeks. Okay, and then later nothing. After that, after a month's time, I started getting, because literally I was understanding how it works. Okay, so don't be on a fence trying to figure out things yourself. Get a mentor for yourself, invest in yourself and learn the right way. This is the